Hey everyone, and welcome to lesson 3 of the Guitar Beginner series. So if you want to watch this video lesson, then pause this video now and go grab your guitar and your guitar pick, and then let's get started. So if you haven't watched lesson 1 and 2 yet, then click the link in the description to watch lesson 1 and 2 before you watch this video. And also grab your G4 Guitar Method book. That's the one we'll be using in these lessons. If you want, I do have some free training where you can download the guitar worksheets for these lessons. So there will be another link in the description where you can get the free training as well with the worksheets, etc. So feel free to go and click on that and get that as well. So let's get started. So we're here in the G4 Guitar Method, and as always, let's start with our picking or warm-up. We always start with warm-up, we always start with picking. So let's do that now. Okay, so grab your pick and let's start with exercise 1. So for this, as always, we need our metronome. So get your metronome. You can download it on your phone. Just search for a metronome app on your phone and get that downloaded, because you always use a metronome when you practice. So I'm just going to open mine here on my phone. Alright, here we go. Here's my metronome. And let's put it at 70, let's do 80 beats per minute. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really focus on your timing. Make sure it's very precise. And you will do this for at least 5 minutes. Okay, let's do it in double time now. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so always start with your picking as warm up. 5 minutes. Get a metronome. Start with a slow tempo. If you can do it well, increase the tempo. The goal is to be able to play this at, let me see here what to say in the book. The goal is to be able to play at 80 beats per minute, which is what we did just now. So start maybe at 60 beats per minute, gradually increase. Okay, so that's our first one, picking. Let's go on to the next one. So next up is let's see, we're up to page 17 now. Actually no, it's not 17, it's page let's see, what page is this? It's page, here we go, page 15. Okay, so it's page 15, reading music. So we're gonna do the notes of the first string, the G note. So we have so far, if you remember from lesson 1 and 2, we covered the E and F notes. Now we're gonna add another note, which is the G note. Okay, so as you know, here is the G note on the guitar. So you can see it's the first string, 3rd fret. So first string, 3rd fret, that's here. Okay, and then take a notice of where it is on the music sheet. So you can see it's on the top of the line. So it's on the top of the line. That's where the G note is. Okay, and you use the 3rd finger. So 3rd finger. Use the third one. This one. So 3rd one from the thumb 1, 2, 3, third finger. Okay, that's your G note. All right, so let's start with exercise 27 now. So you can see exercise 27. Let me get a good view here. There we go. Okay, there we go. Can we see that? Yeah. Okay. There we go. Maybe a bit further out. Ah, that's better. Okay. Okay, so exercise 27. Start with the G note. So as you can see here, we have a whole note of G. There's 2 half notes, quarter notes, 2 half notes. Okay. So let me play that for you guys, and then you can try as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the G note. So maybe pause the video, try it a few times, get used to playing that first exercise before we move to the next. For the next one, now we have the E. We're adding the E note as well. So you have the E and the G note now. So remember from the previous lessons, we have the E and F notes. The E note is open, no fingers. Then the F note, then the G note. So G note, 3rd fret. F note, 1st fret. E note, no fingers, open string, 1st string. It's all on the 1st string. All right, so let's do 28 now. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. So pause the video here, try it a couple of times. Maybe try it without the metronome first, play it slowly. Then once you get better, try it slowly, introduce the metronome, try it with the metronome. Do it a couple of times until you get good at that before you move on. Okay, so the next, let's do number 29 now. So now, it's a bit difficult to see here on the screen, so make sure you get the worksheet. Just use the link to get the worksheet so you have it, you have a better quality of a better resolution of this. So you can see here we have the G. So let's go through it. G, G, E, G, 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 E, G, G, E, E, G, E. Okay? So do the same yourself. Just name the notes all the way through, so you get familiar with the notes. Get familiar with reading the notes. So the G note is on the top line, the E note is between the lines, right? So let's try this now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's a bit more difficult. So try that a couple of times slowly without the metronome. Play it through a few times. Introduce the metronome, and yeah, keep trying. So it's a bit difficult in the beginning. It will get easier the more you practice this. So now let's go to exercise 30. So for exercise 30, we have the, so yeah, again, it's hard to see on the screen here. Let me try zoom in a bit. Does that help? If I zoom in, helps, yeah. Okay, let me try see if we can get the whole screen here. Okay, that's a little bit better. So for this one we have, let's name the notes. F, F, G, G, F, G, F, G, F, G, F, G. All right, so let me play it slowly. F, F, G, G, F, G, F, G, F, G, F, G. Okay? So let's try that with a metronome. 1, 2, 3, and 4. F, F, G, G, F, 2, G, 4. F, G, F, G, F, G. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Alright. So don't move on to the next one. Pause the video between each exercise, as I've been saying, until you can play that really well. Then you go to the next one. Alright? Okay, let's do the next one. So now we don't have the colors. See, the previous lesson we had the colors to help you identify which notes. So you have for F you have the orange color, for G you have the green color, right? So for the next exercise here, what exercise is that? 31. For exercise 31, we have no colors, so you want to get used to reading the notes without colors. So let's just read through them. So we have F, let me see here, F, G, F, F, G, F, G, 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 F, G, F, G. Okay? So do the same yourself. Just read through the notes before you play it, so you can easily identify the notes. Okay? So let's try this now. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, G, F, F, G, F, G, 4. G, G, F, G, F, G. All right, there we go. Okay, let's do the next one. All right, so here, let's read the note again. So E, F, G, E, F, G, E, F, G, F, E, F, G. Okay? So let's play it a few times without the metronome. So here we go. E, F, G, E, F, G, E, F, G, F, E, F, G. Okay. Now let's try with the metronome. 1, 2, 3, and 4. E, F, G, 4. E, F, G, E, F, G, F, E, F, G. All right, perfect. Let's do the next one. Okay, so let's read it first. So we have E, E, F, F, G, E, G, 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 F, F, E, E. All right, so let's try that. E, E, F, F, G, E, G, 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 F, F, E, E. Okay, do that a few times, and let's add the metronome. 1, 2, 3, and 4. E, E, F, F, G, E, G, 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 F, F, E, E. All right, perfect. All right, so then let's go to the next one. That's the last one on this page, so let's have a look here. So with this one, we have E, F, G, E, G, E, G, F, F, G, G, E, E. Okay, so it's a bit hard to see on the screen here. So make sure you, like I said before, just click the link to get the free worksheets. Just click to go in and get the free training. Download the worksheets, and then you'll be fine. So I think, yeah, just look out for the worksheets. It'll be in there. All right. So let's do this one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, F, G, E. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, F, G, E, G, E, G. F, F, G, G, E, E. All right. Okay, so take your time with this. Remember, remember the steps. So step 1 is read the notes out loud without playing it on the guitar. Then step 2, you play it on the guitar slowly. Don't use a metronome. Step 3, you play it with a metronome at 60 beats per minute, maybe slower, maybe faster, around 60 beats per minute, whichever tempo you're comfortable with. Okay, so that's the 3 steps. So you slowly do it step by step. There's 3 steps to it. Okay. That way it's not too overwhelming. It's not too difficult. So break it down, make it easy. Okay. Don't try to do everything at once. Try to make it easier for yourself. So use those 3 steps, and it will be much easier. All right, perfect. So that's it for today. That's the G note. So go and practice that. If you have questions about how to practice it, anything about this lesson you didn't quite understand, just post your question in the comment. I'll be happy to help. And also remember from the last lessons, just keep practicing your E and A minor chords. So remember we have the E minor, we have the A minor. So go and watch those videos to learn those E minor chord and A minor chord, and make sure you keep doing the strum tap, right? Make sure you keep doing this exercise. And same for A minor. So you want to do that 10 minutes every day until you get good at playing the chord, right? 10 minutes every day. So maybe you do that for 2-3 weeks straight, but guess what? You're gonna get good at that chord faster. So I know from a lot of your feedback in this group, a lot of you struggling with chord changes. This is the key to get better at chord changes. Okay, it's very simple and straightforward way to learn it, but you do need to put in the effort. Okay, but it's easy to do. But you just have to put in the effort, okay? That's all. All right, perfect, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.